Welcome to Series B. In this series, we build a real AI agent step by step using LangGraph. By video 20, you'll have a job search agent that finds jobs, researches companies, and writes cover letters. Let's start with setup. Open your terminal. First, install LangGraph and the Anthropic SDK. Pip install LangGraph Anthropic. Now get your Anthropic API key from console.anthropic.com. Set it as an environment variable. Export Anthropic_API_key equals your key. Now, let's build the simplest possible LangGraph agent. Step 1. Define your state. State is a type dict with one field, messages. Step 2. Define a node. A node is just a Python function that takes state and returns updates. Our node calls Claude and returns the response as a message. Step 3. Build the graph. Create a state graph, add the node, set the entry point, compile. Step 4. Run it. Call app invoke with your initial message. That's it. You just built your first LangGraph agent. The output shows Claude's response, wrapped in your state object. In the next video, we make this a proper multi-turn conversation with memory.